Hi, good morning. Welcome to my channel. This is the Icon Cash. This morning I'm going to be revealing to us how you can make money from Google by copying particular content from from Google and using it at a particular website and being paid for using it at a particular website. But before we get started, if this is your first time on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that immediately I upload another video, YouTube will notify you. And if you are also a returning subscriber, do me a favor by dropping your comments and also sharing the videos to your friends. So I told you earlier that this morning I'm going to be talking about how you are going to be paid for copying content and pasting it on a particular website. So I'm going to explain step by step. That is, you need to listen attentively and watch the video till the end. So the first thing we are going to be talking about is where to get the article, because that's the major thing. You know, when you get the article, then I will show you where to submit it and how to go about it. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about this morning is how you are going to get the article. So there's a website I call eSign Article. eSign Article is a platform whereby you can get various topics, various articles on a various niche, maybe health, fitness, cancer, finance, house improvement, investing, book reviews, communication, food and drinks, home and family, insurance, many more. So you can get thousands of them a year. Now let me be using, for the purpose of this course, I'll be using how to lose weight. From here you type how to lose weight. So when you type how to lose weight, you click on search. You can see we have up to 100,000 results on how to lose weight. We have up to 100,000 results on how to lose weight. Pretty fine. Now you click on any of it. Let me use this one. Click on any of it. So click on it. Then you copy the article. And you have used highlight or copy from tab and copy. After you have copied the article from this platform, then you go to another platform or another app I call Grammarly. Grammarly has both free version and paid version, but for me I'm using the free version. But the paid version make it easier to detect some things like plagiarism, the tones of the articles and many other things like that. But for someone like me, I just want to I'm using the free version. So the article I copied, now I bring it here, then I paste it. Let us look now. Yes, you can see it has detected some error. So it is learn how to lose weight fast. This helps you approach to lose weight. So come here. So that is the suggestion. When you click on it, you can set it in order to extremely low. And see the error there, you correct the error for you. You just be clicking on the error that is showing afterwards, and that will come up before, and if you have another, and it will come up before that, and if you have another, and it will come. another one, two, another one, two. Really, it's not, does not have any meaning. You can see add to individual. So another 15, and we have 3, and we have, you can see you'll be changing and correcting everything that you need, that you ought to correct easily. Clicking on it, you see the error there is not much, because this sign article will affect the article before submitting it. That is, if the error is not, this sign article will not approve the article. That is, we are getting the article from a reliable source, So then, after you have copied the website, you have edited, you have changed the word, so you need to check it for plagiarism. I know as an article writer you ought to know what plagiarism is, so you need to check it for plagiarism. So you come to a website I call smallco2.com, smallco2.com. So you are checking for plagiarism. So you just come here, the article you have there, so you copy it. After you copy it, you copy the article, after you have checked it, so you copy the article, copy. Then you come to small CO2s, you paste it for check plagiarism. After checking the plagiarism, this one can only contain 1000 words at a time, so we need to reduce it to 1000 words. So you need to reduce it to 1000 words. So that's what I'm doing. Now it's not yet 1000, so I still need to reduce some. So need to reduce it. So now it's less than 1000. Then you scroll down and click on I'm not a robot, and check the reason. I'm not a robot again, and check for plagiarism. You can see it's already checking. It said be patient, I might take. You can see. We are still waiting for it to check the plagiarism. You can see it's already detecting plagiarism. It's already detecting. It has detected even 43% plagiarism. You can see it has detected 48% plagiarism. 50%, 54%. That is, we haven't changed anything as we copy the article. We only copy it from each side and we haven't changed anything. That's why you're detecting the plagiarism. The best work for it to get even 66% plagiarism. Checking for plagiarism, the best way for it. Only 5% is unique. That is, all others needs to be corrected. So you just come down here. It's very simple. Just come down here. It said you write the content and rephrase it. So when you click on rephrase it, it will help you to rephrase it. It will help you, assist you in rephrasing the words, so that it will pass, so that it will pass the plagiarism stages. So when you rephrase it, then you continue with it. So you click on, you can see, click on rephrase the article, and rephrase the article. Rephrase the article, is rephrasing it. Now it has replaced it. Okay, how to reduce fat with the urgency. It has already replaced it. Then you copy it. So when you now, after replacing it, that is, we have talked about how to get, where to get the article, how to make it unique, how to write it so that the platform will not know that you copied it from somewhere or anything like that. So we have talked about how to recreate it, you write it. Now, where are you going to be selling these articles? Where are you going to make money from them? So I call my first website I'm talking about is listverse. Listverse.com. Listverse.com. Where this website pay you $100 per article. They did not give you any, they did not restrict you to any topic. You can write on any topic of your choice. Any topic you like, any topic you want, you can write on any topic you want. But must be an interesting topic, and you must make a research. Just what you have done now, that's what you need to do. Make a research on them and make sure the article is unique as I've taught you. So then you come here, you submit the article for them. So they paid you $100. They pay $100 for submitting an article. They pay $100. You can see write and get paid. And you click on write and get paid. When you click on write and get paid, you can see they said get paid $100. If you want to earn online, you can see that is on each article you submit to them, you submitted onto them, they are going to pay you nothing less than $100. They will pay you nothing less than $100. Now, assuming now you try to publish an article do publish an article per day, that is one article per day, and you submit it for the 30 days of the month, and you are lucky you get 15 of the article approved. That is 15 times 100, that is you'll be getting about $1,500 on this platform, only this one. And I'll be showing you another platform of which you can submit the same content you are submitting for this one, and also submit it for them, and when they approve it, they also paid you the same amount of money. So the second website I will be talking about is this. I call it popsugar.com. popsugar.com. They too paid you for, can see, write for us. They too pay for writing an article for them. They pay you $100 for writing article for them. So when you write for them, they are going to pay you, and they don't give topic to you. Write on any topic you submit to them, and they approve your account. Immediately they approve your account, and continue to receive money from them. You make money from them. So in order to, I still have another one that I call volksmedia.com. The reason why I mentioned this one to the last is because there is a limit in whom they want to work with. The limit to a particular state. Now we have senior editor, they need New York, and so on and so forth like that. They are writer, they need writers, they need London, England, UK, United Kingdom. That is all the people they need here. They must be from USA. They must be from United Kingdom. They must be from United Kingdom. So that's just it. They must be from United Kingdom. So I know with this you have gained something from this tutorial. I've taught you where to get the article, how to rewrite it to make it unique, and where you can submit it to, and you are going to be making passive income. And if you try all this and you still want to try more, you can check on freelancing platform just like Fiverr, people per hour, Upwork, and many other things like that. And if you don't know how to set up this account, don't hesitate to check my previous videos on how to set up this account, how to create their gig, how to make sales on them. I have a tutorial on that, and I've explained them one after the other. It was detailed explained. So if you have gained something, remember to drop a comment, and also share the videos. Thank you.